Well, hello everybody, it's Jenny, and welcome to Crazy Country Couponer. And look where I'm at. It's not my Dollar General, maybe it's yours. So, well, let's talk. I want to know. And of course, if you're not one of our crazy friends or a subscriber yet, well, now's the time. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you don't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. And that's the kind of stuff we have here all the time at Crazy Country Couponer. So look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell and make sure it says all. Alright guys, I'm on the road again. And I'm at a different Dollar General. And it may be a Dollar General near you. So, I'm in Moore, Oklahoma. So, if you're near Moore, Oklahoma, and you'd like to go find a deal with me at the local Dollar General, leave it in the comments. And maybe we'll meet up and do a deal or two at the local Dollar General. Alright, everybody. I'm about to go in here and see what kind of deals I can find. I'm looking for some more of that clearance stuff. I mean, you can't beat it. It's like a, what did it end up being, like $2.80? So $1.40 a bottle, especially for that Love Dove or Dove Love. Boy, why they gotta make things so difficult? So we're gonna go in here and see what we can find. We might find some, well, some good clearance too. Okay, everybody, we got a new coupon that just posted. It's a $4 coupon, and it's for something we don't get coupons for very often, and that's, well, pet food. And we surely don't get one that is $4. It is $4 off when you spend $15 on 9 Lives cat food. That's right, 9 Lives cat food. And the cans, of course, of 9 Lives. Oh, this must be, I'm in a different store, guys, so I'm kind of turned around. I have to go to the other side and find the dog food, I think. But it's this coupon right here. The carry-outs. Now, mind you, you can mix and match. It's $15 on these 3 items, and the other items is dog food, and it's the Kibbles and Bits dry dog food. And it's probably on this back side. No Kibbles and Bits. Oh, wait a minute, way up top. Yep, 2 bags way up top, Kibbles and Bits. So, $15, and the Kibbles and Bits, let's see if we can find how much the Kibbles and Bits are. That's Pedigree. Iams. Sky Shellfish for storage, so let's see. Heartland, Kibbles and Bits, guys, $13.50. So, if you're doing for your dog, get a Kibbles and Bit and a carry out, you're there at the $15. And you get $5 off, that's $11. That's less than the dog food. And if you're doing the cat food, do the biggest bag that they have. And the biggest bag they have should be $15, unless it's on sale. Do they have that big bag here? No, they do. Well, nope, they don't have the big bag here. But it is $19, it looks like. Let me check it real quick. 9 Lives, yes, $19. So if you just do cat food, just pick up the $19 bag and you'll save $4. And this is also a store coupon. So if you have any other paper coupons, manufactured coupons, that should stack with this. So really good deal, guys. And we do have some Tidy Cats coupons as well that you can pick you up some Tidy Cat kitty litter. And Shop Mim is also offering rebates for those items. So make sure you go to Shop Mim before you head out and claim your offers, because you know you have to claim them first. Oh, I was going to take you to Shop Mim and show you the Shop Mim rebates, but for some reason I'm having problems connecting. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you about them. The Dove glitch that we've got going on for the Dove body washes, go to Shop Mim before you go. There's offers there for rebates, but at Shop Mim you have to select and claim your offer before you shop. So make sure you go there before you shop. We also have the same type of offers back for the Tidy Cat on Shop Mim. So if you're going to go get Tidy Cat kitty litter, then make sure. And since I couldn't get on the Shop Mim, I figured we'd come to Fetch and see what's going on at Fetch. Because at Fetch, you don't have to pre-select or claim. You just do your shopping, get your receipts, and scan them, claim your rebate. So what we got going on, we've got $25 at Casey's. You're going to get back $2. And that's in gas too, guys. That's a double dip. So if you're at Casey's gas stations, use your Casey's points there. And then you use that receipt, scan it to your Casey's, and your Get Upside, because most Casey's also are available for Get Upside rebates. So if you don't have Get Upside yet, Get Upside, guys. I have already, it's been about 11 months, I've gotten $120 from Get Upside back on my gas. And a few restaurants. So you'll find those links in the description box below. If you do not have Get Upside, go ahead and go down there and follow those links and Get Upside. I think that's going to give you a little bit to get started, as well as Fetch. Fetch gives you a little bit to get started. Ibotta gives you a little bit to get started. Shop Minium, no. So those things below that give you something to get started, well, they're on there. And also, in the description box, I'm going to start putting my Temu code, just in case there's some of you out there that have not tried Temu yet, and would like to. Using that code to save you an additional 30%, as well as give you access to a 90% off sale. So, you want to use that if you have not tried Temu yet. And you definitely want to try them. And don't forget to go check out my Temu review video as well. We also, on the Fetch app, we got some food rebates and some stuff that, like the Tostitos, Mexican style 3 cheese. There's a lot of new Tostitos flavors at Dollar General. Don't know if this is one of them, but there you go. The Barilla Blue Box Pasta. This is at Walmart. More Casey's. $5 off on a whole pizza at Casey's. Oh, this is a deal. It expires in 2 days, guys. So take advantage of this. $5 off, or back, should I say, off of Casey's pizza. And this is some good pizza. More of the new Gatorade. Just go through here and check out what's paying. Go to your store, buy it. If you got coupons, use them. Come back and scan your receipt. We got paper coupons for the Bear Aspirin products, and look, you're getting back another $1.50 on the Bear Aspirin. You can even get rebates on beer, guys. And look, we have another one at Walmart. Several Aleve different ones at Walmart. And like I said, you've got Aleve paper coupons. So there you go. Now, if you do Sam's Club, look at this. If you spend $110 on a full price new Plus membership, you're going to get back $10. So if you're a new member, new club member, or if you spent $50 on a full price new club membership, you can get a rebate of $10 back. And if there's a McAllister's Deli next to you, you can get rewards back from that too. So there's such a variety on Fetch of different places that you can get rebates back, that, I mean, it's a no-brainer. Get your Fetch on. Yeah. And you can find that link below. Alright, guys. That's it for this video. And we'll talk again real soon, because I got more videos coming up. The other YouTube channel is called Jen's Place, and I'm working on that, and that's where you're going to find my opinion videos, okay? I do have one, and though I'm careful to voice it on here, a lot of you might share my opinions, and a lot of you might be interested in my opinions, so I thought, why not? So I'll be posting your link to that pretty soon. There's a couple more videos I want to get up before I make it public, because we've got a lot of stuff going on. And like I said, I don't talk politics, but I have an opinion on the state of our union, the state of America. And I don't consider that politics. I consider that life. Just so happens that politics is stepping on my way of living, and yours. So, yeah. We no longer have a Rush Limbaugh, or, oh, what was the other commentary's name? There's a couple of other commentary people that very covertly made comments about what was going on in the state of America. And they're gone now. Well, we need another voice. And I want those voices to be not just me, but I want everyone to start voicing their concerns about what's going on in the state of America. They got us so busy working and doing that we're too busy to stop and say something. We see it, but we just keep rolling. So if you're interested in some of those things that I've got to say, some of the insanity that's going on, things you may not even know about, because a lot of these topics that I'm going to be talking about are going to be topics that I just randomly came across on the internet while researching this stuff for you, okay? The stuff that the average person like you probably won't come across, especially because if you got kids and a life and you work 40 hours plus, yeah, you might not have time. Or you might be like me and just avoid the news altogether because it's downright depressing. But occasionally there's something that rolls by that we need to know, or something that they've had on the down low that rolls by and we need to know. And the only way that's going to happen is if we share it amongst ourselves. So, blessings. When that channel is ready, I hope to see you there.